Reflective tape is a kind of tape with reflective effect, mainly used for vehicles, roads, construction sites and other occasions of warning, marking, reminding road. The reflective part of the reflective tape can reflect the distant direct light back to the luminous place, whether in the day or night, have a good retro-reflective optical properties. Reflective tape is waterproof, stain-resistant, and tear-resistant, so it is widely used on vehicles such as cars, and also on buildings such as warehouses to serve as a safety warning. Reflective tape is also available in a wide range of colors and can be customized to meet different usage needs.